Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, which so far has been performing great. So we'll do a full update, of course, tomorrow, just to talk about the news a little bit. Tomorrow we have FOMC, the interest rate decision as well. So that's going to be important. That's going to be very volatile as well. So be aware of that. I'll try to keep you updated on that myself as well. I'll probably do some sort of a live stream for that. But that's going to be important. But right now, if we take a look at Bitcoin, it's just looking good. All right. Yesterday we did a middle of the day market update, and what I said then is that there were some things that I really wanted to see in the US session yesterday, and it opened great. And you can see right now funding rates are also still looking great. They're not elevated at all right? So there's a low probability of a real flush, like we saw last week, for example, or even the Thursday before that. So like, what is it, 10 days ago? And then outside of that, one of the main things I talked about yesterday is that I really wanted to see some buying pressure coming again from the US after it opened. And you can see that, first of all, Bitcoin was still at a discount, but then very, very soon, after the US session opened, we got that into a premium as well. And right now you can see this morning it has dropped into a discount as well again. But that was pretty similar yesterday, right? And yesterday that really wasn't that much of a problem. We had a bit of a pullback. And I do think, I mean, if you take a look at Bitcoin, it's obviously possible that will pull back here, all right? But the main level, in my eyes at least, is this level right here at around 102,000. I think on the daily time frame, this looks absolutely great. So as long as you are ready for that pullback, I think we should be fine. I don't really see any reason right now why I should expect Bitcoin to drop down below 102,000. I also expect Michael Saylor to actually continue buying Bitcoin. We saw for the last 3 weeks that he did so. So that's some buying pressure that I expect. But like I said, I mean, yesterday we saw clear evidence of buying pressure coming in from the US. And I think the fundamentals right now around the market, like the stock markets are consolidating here. They're not bearish, right? And the Russell 2000 actually got a strong bounce here. And if you take a look at the USDT dominance, that is still bearish. Dollar strength index, I'd like that to be more bearish, but okay, we'll deal with it. And at the moment, I would say the market is in a very healthy way being bullish, right? We also see the Bitcoin dominance here recovering a bit. So that will eventually also make room for altcoins to perform better. But for now, Bitcoin still looks bullish. Now, like I said, you should be prepared for a pullback here. And I do think it's quite likely that we will still pull back into this level between 104 and 102. If we do get some very bearish geopolitical news, for example, then we could also still fail to hold this and drop down much, much lower. That would be the worst case scenario. But like I said, under the current circumstances, I don't expect that. And I think it's more likely that we'll get some sort of a move into 110 and 112,000. And that will be some sort of a local top. But at the moment, there's no real signs of any top forming yet. So it looks good. And one of the main things, like if you really want to keep an eye on that geopolitical business, at the like the best thing to look at is gold. And gold was quite bullish last week, but has been very stable over the last couple of weeks combined. So as long as this is stable, there's no real threat to Bitcoin to really crash, because both gold is stable and the funding rates are stable. And the last time, like something like this looks very unlikely. But I'll keep you updated on that. If circumstances change, I'll let you know. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.